Today we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the shining 3D EinScan Rigil. This is a portable handheld device which is designed to meet the diverse demands of various industries and offers really high precision 3D scanning. The EinScan Rigil is equipped with two scanning modes, blue laser and infrared. The laser mode is ideal for doing smaller parts that need great detail and accuracy, and the infrared mode is designed for doing larger components quickly. The scanner also features full colour cameras, so textures and colours can be captured. The Rigil offers three ways of operating. You can operate it in standalone mode, wireless PC mode, and wired PC mode. In standalone mode, you don't need a computer present to scan. All the scanning and processing is completed directly on the hardware of the Rigil. This is ideal for people who need to be agile and move around with the scanner quickly. You just need nothing more than the scanner to collect data. The wireless PC mode leverages built-in Wi-Fi 6 for seamless wireless scanning. The wireless and wired PC modes use processing power of the connected computer to scan, making data collection and processing time much quicker. This also unlocks an additional ability when laser scanning, which is to track without markers. This allows the scanner to be able to locate itself only following the shape and the features of the part, which is very useful if you're scanning larger, feature-rich objects. Traditionally, laser scanners have always relied on positioning markers, so it's a great step forward in the technology. Here I am scanning a bike in the handheld mode, using the onboard computing and infrared. As we're in the infrared mode, the scanner is able to track the geometry and colours of the part, meaning no markers are required. On the screen we see just a rough preview of the part. This is to show us what we have scanned so far and give us an idea as to where the gaps are. Now let's connect the scanner to a computer and scan the bike again, this time with the laser mode and using the processing power of the laptop to enable us to track without markers. You can see that the scanning is similar to the infrared mode, except we're holding the scanner much closer to the part. We're also capturing a lot more data, and because we're using blue laser, the scanner will pick up reflective materials and deep blacks far better. One of the industries the scanner is best suited for is automotive. The device can be taken quickly onto a workshop floor, and in under 5 minutes you can have the area of interest captured and ready to work on in CAD. It's the same story for designers reverse engineering components. The ability to capture data so quickly can make 3D scanning a core part of your workflow. If you have any questions about the scanner, or you'd like to come and visit us and give it a go yourself and scan some of your own parts, please do reach out to us. We'd love to have you here.